today and for your time on. We just met at the Forever Mark Forum in Mumbai. So Ravi ji, पहली बार ऐसा हो रहा है कि De Beers ने अपना नाम जोड़ा है Forever Mark के साथ. So it's now called De Beers Forever Mark, and they launched the new collection of Avanti at the forum as well as the Code of Origin. So आपके क्या विचार हैं इन दोनों नए launches पे?
Firstly, I will thank you, Samit ji. It was actually great meeting you at the forum, as well as it's always great connecting with you. And मेरी इसमें ये कॉल है कि जो पहला आपने सवाल किया that how was it at the Forever Mark Forum और उसमें जो अवंती कलेक्शन के बारे में. So Forever Mark itself, it started about 10 years back. It's actually established itself as a brand now. अब उसके साथ में जो एक De Beers का नाम जुड़ा है, De Beers is still a great name to be, understood and known by everybody in India also and all around the world. तो उसके जुड़ने से एक ये सबसे बड़ा फायदा है कि जितना हम लोगों का जो कस्टमर बेस है उसमें अंडरस्टैंडिंग विल बिकम वेरी क्लियर दैट फॉरवर्ड मार्क इज अ ब्रांड फ्रॉम De Beers और द हाउस ऑफ De Beers. Taking the and linking the name of De Beers along with Forever Mark actually is going to go a very big way and a very long way. दूसरा अवंती कलेक्शन के बारे में आपने पूछा. I really appreciate that collection. और उसके कई पीसेस हम लोगों ने वहाँ पे ऑर्डर भी करे थे बनने के लिए. And we hope to get them soon. And I hope that there will be a very good response from the customers regarding that collection.
Great. And finally on the Code of Origin, ये जो नया प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट हुआ Below 8 Pointers का, जिसमें De Beers का पूरा डायमंड ज्वेलरी और पहली बार De Beers का ज्वेलरी सर्टिफिकेट और डिस्प्ले एंड एवरीथिंग इज बीइंग गिवन टू यू. सो इसका आपको कैसा लगता है, ये किस तरह से ये धूम मचाएगा हमारे देश में?
I actually, met a team of people from Forever Mark. This was about 6 months back at my store. And when they discussed with me about this program, which is, going to be the CO, Certificate of Origin in, connection with De Beers. So that actually sounded like a great idea to me. Then what happened was that 2 to 3 months, they have just gone in Corona wave and, the second wave actually, it actually killed up all the time. But it is actually a great concept. Yes, first I would appreciate it. It's a great concept because most of the diamonds that we are using in the form of jewelry, as it was put very rightly at the forum also, that more than 70% of the pieces that we are using in the form of jewelry are actually from, and they will all be certified with De Beers in this CO. So this is actually going to be a very good idea. In fact, this idea needs to be promoted more. But yes, I do understand the major challenge, which will be faced by Forever Mark people. That will be the audit. But I know they are a very efficient team, and surely they will be able to meet up that challenge. And I just wish them all the best for this program.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, Ravi ji, and all the best.
Thank you so much, Samit ji, and thanks.